Okay, so this is day 2 of camping, and I'm just in the hammock, as you can see, chilling. And we're gonna go to the lake soon and check out tomorrow's video for horseback riding. And we're packing right now to go to the beach in what's called Shaver Lake. And you can see I have a short. They have like very cute merch to me. Like, I love their merch. I have 2 t-shirts and a hat, and I have a teddy bear too. And yeah, it's a little wiggly because I'm on this hammock. Woo! Woo! A paddleboard. Yeah, let me get out. Hammock. It might be low. So look at this. Look in here. So beautiful. Oh, guys. Yeah. As you can see inside our tent. See, this is the handle. It's like full, so you pull it open, see, and then when you close it, then you can see. And pull it. Get my pants bed, and yep. Yeah, it's hot in there. Yes. No, it's not. What does the thermometer say? 80 degrees. It is 80 degrees in here. That's so hot. And yeah. And yep. That's all I'm doing. We'll see you at the lake, but hold on. Look at these beautiful trees. So beautiful. And yep, we'll see you later.
You having fun, Bri? Yeah. Oh wow. Is it really? There you go, do the dance on there, Bri. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky.
Over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass.
Do it, man. You don't think you can? Maybe when we're close. Okay, we won't do it right now. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I love it.
Awesome, it's so beautiful. Look at behind you.
I want to jump in again. I like it.
Go for it.
Okay, so we're back, and I got this little fish box thing. See, look at beautiful. Wait, I want to show you something too.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I'm showing the big dinghy.
Oh, the little thing, yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing's pretty cool.
Yeah. So cool. Do you know those things like you blow? Like it's one of those, but look how huge it is. It's huge.
It's really cool looking when you look at it up close.
Yeah, because it is really cool. Ow! I'm okay. A stick flung at me and something. The stick hurt, but the thing that fell on my head, I did not know what it was. Oh my gosh! I love being in the hammock. It's like the best day ever, ever, ever. Eh, eh. So I'm just chilling here and yep. So we'll check you later. Peace.
Deer over there with the antlers. It looks like a reindeer, dude. Pretty cool. We were so hoping to see a deer in this meadow.
So what this does is it makes the fire rainbow, as you can see on here. So we'll go for it right now.
There it goes.
Magical fire.
Yep.
We're in there. Oh, it's over to the side here a little bit. Yeah, get the shovel. I thought it would end. It needs to go over a more. Yeah, here. I'll do it.
Wow.
You didn't do Boy
Scouts.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay, it's going now.
There it goes.
Get it.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Ooh, I can see a little bit blue.
If you stand up.